Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3, Exercise 5.1, we are starting number 6. Choose 3 single-digit numbers and 3 two-digit numbers to multiply by 10. Record your multiplication. Very simple thing. First, we can write like 3. So 3 times 10, it will be 30. So first we will use single digit. Then we can use suppose 5. So it will be 50. Next we can use 8. So 8 times 10, 80. This is a random number. So don't worry, you can use yourself any number. Single digit should be. Now we will use double digit like 11. So it will be 110. Can we use 14? So 140. We can use 16. So it will be 160. Very simple. So this one is done. Now explain what happens to a single digit number and a two-digit number when it's multiplied by 10. Is the answer always an even number? If yes, why? You could use the place value chart to help you. So first we can write like, look, we can write, suppose we can use 5. So once you multiply with 10, so this 5 will be in here and here should be 0. So 5 will be here, right? Or if you use like 11 times 10, so this 11 first here should be 0, here should be 1, and here should be 1. It means 11 times 10, 11 first one is 1's digit and second one is 10's digit. So once you multiply, it will become 110. So this is 1, this is 10s, and this is 100. Now look, single digit 5 times suppose 10, it will be 50. So single digit, the unit digit or 1's digit is 0. Similar, 13 times 10, it will become 130, and also last digit is 0. We know if 1's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, the number always even, right? So this case we can write a short note. What? First, our answer is yes, always be even, right? So we can write like this: yes, the answer is always even, right? Why? Reason: when you multiply, or we can say when we multiply any number by 10, the product ends in 0, and numbers ending in 0, numbers ending in 0, and numbers ending in 0 are even, right? So very simple thing. Next question. A school has 23 boxes of 10 pencils. How many pencils does the school have? Show your method. It's a simple thing. A school has 23 boxes of 10 pencils. So it's a very simple thing. Look, one box has 10 pencils. So 23 box has 10 times 23 pencils. It means 230 pencils. Very simple. Number 9, and today's last question. It is the exercise 5.1 last question. Next video we will start from 5.2. So here is mentioned the term to term rule is the next term is 5 more than the previous term. What are the next 4 numbers in sequence? Look, here is 6, here is 5. So what is the difference? Already mentioned, 5 more. It means 6 plus 5, it's 11. So 11 plus 5, it will be 16. 16 plus 5, it will be 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 5, 31. So no more today. We already discussed 3 questions, 6, 7 and 9, and after that our section, it means 5.1, end. If you think this video is helping you for your child or a relative or friends, please subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare. I'm trying to solve Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. So we are in Unit 5, which is multiplication and division. So this is my channel, already informed, Sad Educare. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.